We're live, so we're going to talk about cleaning the glue machine.
Yeah.
All right.
All you do is pull this out.
Yep. So you can release your band.
Bring your band all the way out.
Right.
Push it back in.
Okay. Does it matter if it's pushed in, or is that just a?
It's just something I've always done.
Okay.
Untighten
Just do
this and bring these wheels all the way back.
As far as they'll come, crank those pressure rollers back out. Got you. So we cranked them in first thing this morning.
Yes.
And I would assume that a big part of that is probably when you run your glue test in the morning.
It'll be glue all over.
It's already done. You didn't have to remember to do it.
Now down in this area.
Uh-oh, we get to crack it open?
We get to crack it open.
Alright.
Open it up and just clean it out.
So visually inspect it, maybe you blow it out or you just back it. You don't back it out, you don't have a vac.
Because if you use the vacuum, it doesn't get everything out.
So you're probably just basically visually inspecting anything you look for in particular, or you're just mainly trying to get
all the
particles out.
Particles and debris, all that stuff out.
Huh?
And now this is started up.
Alright, let's walk back over here. So we went to the, what was that called? A glue nozzle, clean glue nozzle program.
Yes.
And we used the F4
To enter it.
to actually make it work. But then we had to preheat it. When it got 200, hit the start button. Got it. Maybe. Anything else for the moment? Okay.
Matt, you have a call on line 1. Matt, line 1.
I have a call on line 1. So after we start it, you just start it. It doesn't matter how long it runs. Just a second or two.
As long as this is all the way up and that light comes on.
Then you're done.
Now you
Hit the red button.
hit the red button and kill it at the switch.
Alright. Alright, now comes the...
Use the scraper.
Alright, let me get in here. And
Clean up all this glue right in here.
so you're not just cleaning just the face of it. You're
No,
going kind of behind that lip.
Behind the lip too. And the face.
What's this thing had a light on it? It's alright.
I don't know what happened to our light that we had here.
Okay, be right there.
Yeah, we had a light and it came up missing. When you scrape down against those teeth, don't push very hard or you will chip them out.
Does that make you popular with the boss? No?
He's like, just get it clean. As long as I'm careful with it, he's happy.
No, I mean if you push too hard and chip them out. Does that make you popular?
No.
No? Okay. So don't do that.
No.
So that's basically how you scrape it clean. Anything else?
Lacquer thinner and rag.
Lacquer thinner
Wipe
and
it down. And
So-
then we'll take the wire brush and scrub it. And this is real hot.
Okay, so you put a lacquer thinner on your egg, and you're going to wipe the face of it with a plenty big enough wad where your fingers don't actually come in contact.
Yeah, because as soon as it starts touching, it starts drying that lacquer up.
So you got to keep it, I guess, pretty moist with the lacquer thinner.
It's actually not bad. Now, we'll use the wire brush
Alright,
to get in between the teeth.
gotcha. That actually rakes it clean. I guess that makes sense. I wonder why you use the wire brush, but I guess it makes sense to clean out
Now,
those grooves.
one more step with the scraper. Up in here, where the glue just drains down, we have to get that big bubble out.
Where the glue drains
down from the teeth.
Oh, okay. So and you do that from up top's the best place.
Yeah, it's the only way you can get to it.
Wonder if you can see it better from the other side what you're doing here. Let me walk her back around. She's gonna beg for some editing, I know. Not really, that's probably why it's better to do it from over there. Okay.